In this video, I will show you how to use ADT camera without service. Some ADT cameras come with local storage options like a microSD card slot. If your camera supports this feature, you can record footage locally without needing an active service plan. Check your camera's user manual for information on how to use and access local storage. If your ADT camera was already configured with the ADT Pulse app or Control app before canceling the service, you might still have limited access to live viewing features. However, you may lose access to cloud storage, alerts, and remote access. To try this, open the ADT Pulse or Control app on your smartphone. Log in with your existing credentials and see if you can access live video feeds from your camera. Perform a factory reset on the camera to clear any existing configuration or settings tied to the ADT service. After resetting, try setting it up as a standalone IP camera. To reset, find the Reset button on the camera, usually located on the back or bottom. Press and hold the Reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the camera restarts or the indicator light changes. After resetting, search for the camera on your local network and access its IP address through a web browser to configure it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.